Hi guys, today we will be reading The Peacock Who Wished to Fly by Deogratias Simba. So let's get started. Darcy the Peacock was kind and a gentle bird. He lived in peace with all the other birds, but Darcy had a dream. Instead of pecking at the ground, he wanted to fly to faraway lands. He wished he could see the beauty of nature himself. But Darcy the Peacock couldn't even travel far in search for food. Some naughty birds mocked him. They left him alone whenever they went searching food. Darcy the Peacock thought to himself, if I'm a bird, then I should be able to fly. Why don't I have wings like other birds? Darcy the Peacock thought hard. He decided that he could try to collect feathers from other birds. He crept up behind the owl. He plucked a few feathers from her back without being noticed. The feathers were beautiful, long and dark. He did the same with Parrot. He got beautiful green eyes and yellow feathers. He stole feathers from many different birds. He even plucked feathers from geese who were swimming in the river. The feathers were pretty and white. Darcy kept his feather gathering a secret. Darcy the Peacock even stole feathers from two eagles while they were busy eating. By now, he had collected a lot of beautiful feathers. He cleverly wore them together. He carefully fixed the feathers to his tail. When he stretched his tail, the feathers spread out like a fan. It was beautiful. The different colors made him look even more attractive. Now Darcy the Peacock was the most attractive bird in the village. None of the other birds had feathers as beautiful as Darcy the Peacock. Darcy the Peacock was happy as the most beautiful bird in the jungle. He no longer wanted to fly. The other birds didn't mock or tease him anymore. They were too busy admiring his beauty. Thank you for listening.